Oh, that's scary. Holy crap, that's sparkling.
Sparkled.
Pretty bitchin' rocket.
Bitchin'.
Bitchin' rocket. Do we have tape on there, Janey?
Well, we didn't want it to fall apart.
Oh, didn't we?
Okay, Megan.
Oh god.
Pop the top.
Want that or not?
Bottoms up.
It's really taped. This part is really taped too. Okay,
You
grab
got
all the
balloons
stuff.
too.
Megan, hold this.
What is it up in here?
It's the egg.
I can already see yellow.
I can see yellow.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah, I can.
That might be his hair, you guys.
Yeah, he had yellow hair. Oh. He had little string
Nice
hair.
save.
Are you gonna keep this? Are you gonna keep this, Janey? They need us over there. You're not timing.
Well, not us. We're doing our egg right now.
Your rocket was called Search.
Star
Search.
Should be like search and
Stars
destroy.
up here.
Da, 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 da.
You guys are supposed to have the scissors.
We don't have scissors.
Way to go, you guys.
Watch out. Oh.
Here goes.
Holy crap.
Oh!
Oh, God.
But it did go straight. Ours was straight.
Some just hit my